What's your actual English level? Let's find out today. No cheating, no BS. Make sure to write down your answers and keep a track of them, because at the end of this video, I will help you to find out where are you standing between A1 and C2. And also, this is listening, understanding / grammar test. At the end of this video, I'll show you where you can check your actual speaking test, which is quite more fun. Alright, let's get started. They to the gym every day. Go, goes, or going. The correct answer is go. I usually wake up 7 a.m. on, in, at. The correct answer is at. We use at for specific times. There are 3 playing in the park. Child's, children, children's. The correct answer is children. Child is an irregular noun. I an apple for breakfast. Eat, eats, or eating. The correct answer is eat. Is your favorite color? Who, where, or what? The correct answer is what. We use what for things, where for places, and who for people. She, have a sister. Don't, doesn't, or no. The correct answer is doesn't. She doesn't have a sister. My house is than yours. Big, more big, or bigger. The correct answer is bigger. We add ER at the end for comparison. Is this phone? You, your, or yours? The correct answer is your. I TV right now. Watch, am watching, or watching. I am watching TV right now. For the actions that are happening right at this moment, we use present continuous. I would like water, please. Some, any, a. The correct answer is some. We use some in positive sentences with uncountable nouns like water, coffee, etc. Now, you're gonna find out if you're at least A1 or A2. If you get between 0 and 5 answers right, your level is A1. If you get between 5 and 10, your level is A2. And let's continue to see how good are you. Now, let's dive into intermediate level. My keys. Have you seen them? Lost, have lost, am losing. The correct answer is have lost. When I was young, I play soccer every day. Used to, was used to, used to. The correct answer is used to. If it rains tomorrow, the picnic would cancel, will cancel, or cancel. The correct answer is will cancel. I need to smoking. It's a bad habit. Give up, give in, or give out. I need to give up smoking, which means to quit. By the way, I don't smoke anyways. It's a bad habit and you should not as well. The bridge in 1920. Built, was built, was built. The correct answer is was built. I have lived in Brazil 2 months. Since, for, or during. I have lived in Brazil for 2 months. No joke, I'm still here in Brazil. The person called you is my boss. Which, who, or whose? The correct answer is who. We use who for people and which for objects. She told me that she busy is, was, or will be. The correct answer is was. She told me she was busy. If I $1 million, I would travel the world. Have, would have, or had. The correct answer is had. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. By the way, I'm traveling the world without $1 million. You don't need it, to be honest. If you're interested in becoming a nomad and having a remote job like I do, at the end of this video, I'll tell you how you could do that as well. I look forward to you soon. Meet, meeting, or met. I look forward to meeting you soon. Now, I will not say if you got 5 out of 10, you're B1, and more than that, you're B2, because we need to get until the end of this exercise, so you would have 30 answers. After that, if you, let's say, got 15 out of 30, your level is B1. If you got more than that, yours is B2, C1, C2, etc. But most importantly, B2 plus, that's the level where international companies will show interest in you working for them as an employee. So if you're interested in that, make sure to work on your English and get it up to B2 level. All right, now let's get into advanced challenge. Under no circumstances, open that door. You should you, you must. The correct answer is should you. It is viral that he, the report by Friday, finishes, finish, or will finish. The correct answer is finish. This is subjunctive mood. If I about the traffic, I wouldn't have been late. Have, had, would have. The correct answer is had. We need to the details of the contract before signing. Iron out, iron over, or iron up. The correct answer is iron out, which means to resolve problems or finalize details. The rain served to the already difficult conditions. Exacerbate, excel, or exaggerate. The correct answer is exacerbate. We shouldn't ignore We need to talk about the budget deficit. Lion in the den, elephant in the room, wolf at the door. Elephant in the room is an idiom that describes a controversial issue that is currently present but everyone is ignoring. By this time next year, I my degree. Will finish, will have finished, am finishing. The correct answer is will have finished. He have been at the party. I saw him at the library at the same time. Mustn't, shouldn't, or can't. The correct answer is can't. He can't have been at the party. I saw him at the library at that time. The project early, the team decided to take the afternoon off. Finished. Having finished, to finish. Having finished the project early, the team decided to take the afternoon off. There are people at the event than we expected. Less, fewer, or small. The answer is fewer, and we use it for countable items like apples, cars, or people. Now, you got all 30 answers, hopefully right. At this point, if you got between 10 and 15, your level is B1. Between 15 and 20, your level is B2. 22 and 25, C1. 25 plus, welcome to our world. You're at the C2 level. You are the best. Now, if you would like to test out your English speaking level, which is quite more different and more challenging and more fun, to be honest, compared to understanding and listening and just grammar, I will recommend you to go to this website right here. It's called foxu.com, where you can register completely for free and go through AI English speaking test, and AI will determine what's your English level. And afterwards, you can practice your speaking skills with people from all over the world completely for free, just like you see on this Zoom call right here. We have people from over 100 countries all over the world. And finally, if you're interested to become a tech professional and travel just like me all over the world, here's a link to a video that you might be interested in. All right, thank you for joining. Learn English, get some water, get some workout, and I'll see you on the next video.